Hey friends! Welcome to Kidz Adventure TV.
Good hygiene habits. Help animals brush their teeth. Squeeze some toothpaste. Toothpaste squeezed out. Let's brush your teeth. Yeah! Nice clean teeth! Rinse your mouth. Good job! Help the animals wash hands. Cut the nails. They are a bit long. Using soap helps you wash hands cleaner. Rinse the foam off. Dry your hands. Wow! Your hands are clean. Good job! Help the animals take a bath. Get rid of the dirt on the back. Using soap helps you wash hands cleaner. Rinse the foam off. Dry your body. Wow! So cozy! Thank you, kids!
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.